Hello everyone. So today we are gonna see how we can disable the MFA for one user. Like assume we have the list of 10 users, but we want to disable only for one user. So how we can do? We can open the users first. You can search users. Let's assume we want to disable the MFA for Serene. So we can check, and for that you need to create a permission set. So we are gonna create new permission set here. So disable MFA. You don't need to select license, otherwise it will give an error. So after that you can click on system permissions. In system permissions you need to enable one permission. Let me show that to you. That is way multi-factor authentication for exempt users. So you need to enable that option. Let me add it. So enable this option and save. You need to click on save first. Now you need to click on manage assignments, from where you can assign the user, and after that user will work without a MFA. Like we want for Serene, let me check. That is the user I want. You can click on next and never expires. Assign. Done. So the current assignment is done. Now this user will work perfectly for you without the MFA. That's all. You need to create permission sets from where you can assign the users, and if you want to assign more users you can do with the same manage assignments, and you can assign the permission set for the users. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. See you next video.